Hello guys, I'm Judy. The clarity of the LED display is very important because it is the main way of advertising. What are the factors that affect the clarity of the LED screen? First of all, contrast is key. Key. In general, the higher the contrast, the sharper the image will be. High contrast helps image show detail and grayscale levels. Secondly, the point spacing of the LED display is also very important. Narrowing the dot spacing can improve the display and make the image look more delicate. Finally, the grayscale, let's refer to how many different brightness levels the LED display can distinguish in monochrome brightness. And the higher the grayscale, the more colorful the color representation. In short, this factor will affect the clarity and the visual effects of the LED display. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a lot of likes and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Welcome, leave a message to communicate with us. The next video, bye.